olden times they held in contempt those who get to believe so, that the earth was the center of the universe, that we were in the middle of above and below. So they cast down the women and men who observed the sun and the moon, and then raised up their notion and served up the potion that the earth was in stationary motion. So the idea stuck on and on and on from one generation to another. Then along came a man who said to his brother, I can see other worlds with this glass. So the decision was made to change it. The sun no longer went round the earth followed a trail that pulled around the sun like a lion chasing its tail. Quiet became the believers, as some had become deceivers. Though the earth went around, all crowns were still round, and the map showed the earth in the middle. So centuries passed, science grew, and at last a new vision of the cosmos arose. It was decided by science with strange sort of sense that they need a new theory of governance to explain the universe in its glory, requiring a very new story. Their math pointed out and they began to shout that scientists needn't have worry. In the Bible it says, earth was created in a day. Poppycock, boulder dash, and mayhem came to cry, that was what the learned men say. Create the earth in a day, what a simple idea, it must be more complicated than that. So they all came together on telephone and telegraph. They all put on their thinking hats, then finally with math, calculations and observations, they cut the time necessary to create the universe by more than half. We all originally learned, which many took as salvation. Turned out the idea, it took 7 days to create all we see right here. But the astronomy major and the physicists too insisted they had a new idea, that the Bible was metaphor and so wasn't true. Because now they knew the universe was created in a second or two, created in a second or two. So they went to their labs, clap, 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 gave each other papers and gold. Then they turned to their maps and drew out their reckoning of how everything was laid out. They determined amongst them the universal is spherical, and to solve all the riddle, they placed Earth solidly in the middle.